See?
Oh, yeah.
Now that'd be really cool.
Oh, look who's here. Hey,
Hi.
hello, everybody. It's Grandma and Nancy. Whoa. Look, we have a new friend. It's
Ellie.
Ellie the elephant. Look at, whoa, look at her. Whoa. And she's got big ears.
She does. And she has glasses.
And she has glasses. You know who else has glasses? You do.
So
look
do
at
you.
I have glasses too. Oh my goodness. And we're showing Ellie the elephant some stories and songs.
A new book.
Yeah, new book, new songs. What kind of new? 40 years old, 50. Here we go. Go ahead. What is the book?
The book's called
Animalia.
Oh, here we go.
I love you like a whale. Oh, that reminds me of a song. Yeah, loves you, yeah. And I saw her yesterday.
You ain't thinking of. And she told me what to say. She said, I love you, and you know that can't be bad. She loves you, and you know that it's in me glad.
Oh, now what else does the book say?
I love you hugely like a whale. I love you shyly like a quail.
I love you cleverly like a fox.
I love you powerfully like
an
ox.
That reminds me of the same song.
Wow.
Loves you, and you know you should
Be glad. Love like that, you know you should be glad. You know it's up to you.
Oh, what?
I think it's only fair. I can hurt you too. Apologize to her.
What else does the book say?
I love you busily like a bee. I love you doggedly like a flea.
I love you doggedly like a flea. You don't get any better writing than that. Not in these United States.
I love you gently like a
Like
lamb.
a lamb, a baby sheep.
Mm-hmm. I love you boldly like a ram.
Like memory in a computer. Like a RAM. Okay.
And I love you cutely like a
Like
koala.
Koala? Little soft, cuddly things out in Australia.
There he is, right there.
I mean, they're just amazing animals when you get to know them personally, like, them your neighbors. What else?
I love you briskly like an impala.
Well, I know that reminds me of another
song. I bet I know what song it is.
No, you don't.
And you know you should be glad. Love like that, you know you should be glad. Love like that, you know you should be glad. Love like that,
It's called
you know you should